Greetings from Allied Solutions, and today we are going to unbox Johnson's Control F61KB-11 Switch Flow Control. These are single portable throw flow switches that are used in liquid lines carrying water, ethylene, glycol, or any other not liquids not classified as hazardous. So let's do this unboxing and let's find out what we get inside the box. This is 11KB-11C. Let's do this unboxing. So in the box, we have the blades, wow guys, look, see, this is a Johnson's Control Flow Switch. Is a brand new flow switch we have bought from eBay. In the box we have this specification and data sheet. As you can see, the 11KB switch liquid pressure 150 psig, liquid temperature 32 Fahrenheit, maximum temperature goes up to 250 Fahrenheit, electrical ratings, non-inductive ampere, pipe connector 1 inch and half NPT threads. So this is Johnson's Control Liquid Flow Switch by Johnson's Control. Pen, sticker is both. So if you want this item in Karachi, Pakistan, you may contact us, Allied Solutions. Thank you very much.